Generally, what I recommend for folks cleaning kitchen tiles themselves is using just basic OxyClean. OxyClean is basically hydrogen peroxide in powdered form with a bunch of other stuff to help it clean. The nice thing about OxyClean is it's a powder. You probably have it laying around the house anyway. You can mix it up as a paste and then use a nylon scrub brush to scrub the grout lines of the tile really good. You don't have to worry about marking up the tile or anything. OxyClean is very forgiving. And then you just rinse all the residue off. It works best for floor tile because it does require a lot of rinsing to get rid of the OxyClean residue. If you want to clean the grout on, say, a backsplash or some sort of a vertical surface, what I usually recommend is using literal hydrogen peroxide in a spray bottle and baking soda. So you mix up the baking soda into a bit of a paste again, and then you can smear that on the wall, and then you spray it with the hydrogen peroxide in a generic fillable spray bottle. And then that will bubble up the baking soda, and that basically makes a nice oxygen-based kind of cleaner that will bleach any residue out of the grout. And then you scrub it off, once again, rinse really good, and that's usually the least aggressive way to clean tile and also clean grout. You can also use a commercial grout cleaner, which there's all sorts of different formulations. The annoying thing about getting something like this is they won't tell you exactly what's in it because they don't have to. It can be kind of hit and miss on that. So what I would do is start with some OxyClean or some just basic baking powder and hydrogen peroxide. See if that works. If not, then use a more commercial heavy duty off the shelf something. And then if that doesn't work, then call an expert. There are plenty of folks who specialize in nothing but grout cleaning and have all sorts of steam equipment and specialized chemicals and can assess exactly what your tiles are, exactly what's staining the grout, and then use their expert tools and formulations to get rid of any grime or stains or anything that you want to get rid of.